Welcome to the Stylish Pup, where wagging tails meet well-fed bellies and stylish fits. Here we share simple training tips, expert-backed nutrition advice, and guides to keep your pup looking fabulous. Today, our furry friend is in for the ultimate pamper day. A spa session filled with gentle massages and the calming sound. Watch as he closes his eyes, sinking into relaxation, his little tail wagging slowly with every soothing touch. The soft chimes fill the air, creating a peaceful space where stress just melts away. This isn't just a treat, it's self-care for dogs too, helping them relax, bond with you, and feel their very best. Because at the Stylish Pup, we believe every pup deserves to look good, feel good, and live happily. Did you enjoy this cozy spa day? Give this video a like, subscribe for more stylish pup moments, and share this with a dog lover who'd love a relaxing day too.